Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to post Facebook Reels using PC or laptop. First of all, open the web browser. Here search Create Studio. Click to open its site. Here you can see the Create Reel option. Click on Content from the dashboard. Here you can post Reels. Then click on Create Reels. Add a video from the media. Select a random video. You can also write a description of this video. Check the Create option, then press Next. After that, click to share the video. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.